It's a common issue where one AirPod, usually the left, loses battery quicker than the other. Let's explore why this happens. This often happens because the left earbud handles more processing for features like spatial audio or active noise cancellation. Right earbuds typically process less, conserving battery. This asymmetry can lead to uneven wear. Software glitches, environmental factors like humidity, earwax buildup, or even just favoring one ear during calls can also contribute. While design is a factor, physical damage or hardware failure isn't always the root cause and can be fixed without replacing your AirPods. Before diving deep into troubleshooting, check if both AirPods are clean, especially around the charging contacts. Earwax or debris can interfere with proper charging and cause uneven battery drain. Next, ensure you're using the latest firmware on your AirPods and the iOS version on your iPhone. An out-of-date firmware can cause battery management issues that have been corrected with recent updates. Finally, try simply resetting your AirPods. It sounds basic, but it can clear software hiccups that cause uneven battery drain. Begin by placing both AirPods back into their charging case. Then, close the lid securely. With the lid closed, wait exactly 30 seconds to allow the system to fully reset. After the 30 seconds, open the charging case lid. On your iPhone, go to Settings, then Bluetooth. Find your AirPods and tap the eye information icon next to them. Select Forget this device to remove the current pairing. With the case still open, locate the Setup button on the back of the charging case. Press and hold this button until the status light flashes amber, then white. Your AirPods have been fully reset, clearing any old pairings or corrupted settings, and are now ready to be reconnected to your device. Some features in your AirPods consume more battery power than others. Active noise cancellation and spatial audio are particularly power-intensive, and they can cause uneven battery drain between your left and right AirPods. Active noise cancellation, or ANC, blocks out external noise by creating sound waves that cancel it out. This feature requires significant processing power, which uses more battery, especially in the left AirPod that handles most of the audio processing. If you're in a quiet environment where you don't need noise cancellation, turn off ANC to save battery. This can help balance the drain between your AirPods. Spatial audio creates an immersive 3D sound experience that follows your head movements. While amazing to listen to, it requires extra processing that can drain your AirPods' batteries faster than standard stereo audio. If battery life is more important than the spatial effect, consider disabling spatial audio temporarily to see if it improves battery balance between your AirPods. You can adjust these power-hungry features in your device's Bluetooth settings. Connect your AirPods, go to Settings, tap Bluetooth, then tap the eye icon next to your AirPods to access the controls for noise cancellation and spatial audio. Try disabling these features for a day or two and monitor your AirPods' battery levels to see if the drain becomes more balanced. This simple experiment can help you determine if these features are causing your battery imbalance. Sometimes the problem isn't software, but simply a connection issue. Use a dry, soft, lint-free cloth to gently clean the charging contacts on both the AirPods and inside the charging case. Stubborn dirt may require a small amount of isopropyl alcohol on the cloth. Ensure everything is completely dry before reassembling. A clean connection ensures proper drain and balanced battery levels. If you've tried all the software fixes and cleaning methods, and one AirPod consistently drains significantly faster, you might have a hardware problem. Issues like faulty sensors or internal damage can cause this uneven battery drain. Common hardware issues include faulty sensors that don't properly detect when the AirPod is in your ear, or internal damage from drops or liquid exposure. Contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for further diagnostics. They can run specialized tests to determine if a hardware replacement is necessary. Looking ahead to future trends in AirPod batteries, AI-driven battery management is emerging as a key innovation. AI systems will analyze your usage patterns to predict and prevent battery drains before they happen. Mobile apps are now integrating machine learning to monitor battery health and suggest optimizations based on your daily habits. Eco-friendly trends are driving the development of longer-lasting batteries, with graphene-infused cells expected in upcoming models for improved energy storage and sustainability. Experts predict fully adaptive power systems where AirPods use Edge AI to automatically adjust battery usage in real time, minimizing imbalances and extending overall battery life. These innovations, including modular batteries for easy replacement, promise a future where battery issues are a thing of the past. Keep an eye out for these exciting developments.